What's going on, guys? I'm the Ecom Boss. So you guys already know we're about to drop some value. In today's video, I'm coming at you guys with the top 3 products to sell right now that I myself am winning with. So you might ask, why would I share these products with you guys if I'm winning with it myself? And the reason is interest, Facebook ads, pixels, everything. You guys want to stand a chance against me, but you can still make this product win insanely good. Like I've given this product away to 2 people already, and they've been doing good with it. They've created at least 5-figure stores. So all of you guys can use these ones right now. One of them is a tiny bit saturated, but I think that's because I made them saturated, and the rest of them are like sort of untapped maybe. I'm not gonna give any promises, but these products are not overly saturated. They're perfect. You should definitely sell them now. So last video, free 30-minute consulting call winner is Sasa, and he really deserves it because he's been commenting and watching my whole video the whole way through recently. Thank you, man. Really appreciate you. You can message me. My Instagram will be here. We'll go on Skype. I'll take a look at your store, whatever you want, dude. But anyways, if you want to win the next free 30-minute consulting call or me taking your store to 10K or whatever, you gotta watch my whole video through, smash the like and subscribe. You want to subscribe, guys. It's really important. Watch it the whole way through though. Let me know if you want to win it, and without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the 0 to 10K series, we're still just waiting for PayPal to release Eric's money, but we were going to run ads yesterday, and then his personal account got banned, or maybe not banned, but he got paused, or he had to prove identity on Facebook. So just still in a waiting phase, but it will be uploaded insanely soon. Also the camera equipment, it's coming to me real soon. I don't know when, but in a couple of days I'll have a new camera, new room, all that stuff, so you guys can stay prepared. Anyways, let's get into the video. You guys don't even know how happy I am today. Here's my Facebook group, guys. Link down in the description if you want to get into this. But let's just get straight into the first product of the video. Here we go, guys. The first product, and I've been talking a shit ton about this product in every single one of my videos, my live streams. No, the other products you probably have not heard of before, like this one. But I know I've been talking a good amount of this one. I have been exposing it. It's becoming a tiny bit saturated. But guys, I'll give you, watching, the interest you can use to win with this product. Because I'm not hiding anything, right? The ad copy yourself, you will have to find your ad copy yourself. I can give you mine, but I will not do that for free. So I recommend you guys to just go to Facebook, you get your own. That would be probably better. I already pulled up a good one that you can look at, but look at this insane product. So acne removers, all of that stuff, you know, kind of dead. Like I said in my last video, acne removers is dead, you know, blackhead removers, all of that good stuff. It's probably not the smartest thing to go for anymore. So the more modern way of doing this could be like a mole remover, skin tag, and callus remover. All these new things, it's not the same. So this mole remover, first of all, I sell it for $49, and there's another supplier on Ali that sells it for $7. So I buy it for $7, $1 shipping in. So it means I buy it for $8 and I sell it for $49. Profit margin, I'll throw up a screenshot right now. This is from back in January, guys, so don't get me wrong, this was in January, but it was this exact product. 30,000 revenue and $22,000 profit. And yes, you guys can see that's the gross profit, but you guys can see the net profit on the screenshot I throw up right here. Insanely good product, guys. Making 1.2k a day, profiting 1100. Not bad. You guys gotta get on this one. So the interest you will use, I will explain in a second, but first let's take a look at one of the videos you guys can find on Facebook. So first of all, you go into the search bar here, then you just search for mole remover, for example. That's what I would recommend to do. And then let's just play the video real quick. We're not gonna play the whole one, but you guys can see really good video. I actually tried this one once, but I made it a little bit more custom to myself. This one got banned, so you guys will have to be a little bit careful not to show too many ugly things. And there you go, the before and after. Nothing you do on Facebook. You don't do before and after on Facebook. You'll get screwed. But anyway, search for mole remover here, hit videos, and you will find a lot of videos. Anyways, guys, the interest you guys want to use, I'm not gonna name every 7 one because all of them are not too good. Number 1 interest, and I'm using this one. This is my best interest. I exposed it, and the reason I do it is because I really want you guys to see it, and my goal is to be the dropshipper who gives the most value on YouTube. So I'll give it to you guys. The first interest you want to use is beautiful skin. The second one is aging. The third one is natural skincare. And the fourth one is dermatology. You could also use exfoliation or whatever it's called. That's it. Cosmetology as well. You can use those. It most likely will pop off unless you have like a not too good of a store. That's all I'm going to say for this product, guys. I literally just give you guys a 6-figure mine here that you guys can dig from. I'm not even kidding you. This is really valuable, but only 1% of you guys will take action. If you didn't, however, take action on this one, shoot me a DM on Instagram the upcoming days. Let me know how it went. But anyways, guys, move on to the next product. So guys, this is the next product. Sorry, the lighting is getting a little bit dark here. We're so excited to get that new equipment, new camera roll stuff, which is shipped, is on the way. But anyways, guys, excuse the darkness here because this video is valuable. So for now, let's get into the next product. So this product is a boxing product. It's insanely unique. It's insanely cool. Nothing more to say about it. I'll give you guys the interest. Ad copies you'll find yourself. yourself. But let me just give you guys the interest and show you the product. Here we go, more freakers. This product is so cool. It's starting to become a little saturated, but it's not on its peak yet. You can see there are a lot of different suppliers. You should run this product, seriously. And the interest you should be targeting, just search for boxing, you know, and then use your suggestion. You want to find like general boxing interest. You could also target the names of professional boxers, all of that stuff. And you could also, you know, target like MMA, you know, a little bit of like that stuff. I definitely recommend being a little bit niche on your targeting. But also, since you have competitors, you want to target something nobody else is targeting as well. So do a couple of ad sets that's not related to boxing at all, but trying to be in the mind of the customer. Who is a boxer? Where do boxers come from? What do boxers have in common with these kinds of people? What is the difference here? You guys got to think like that, be in the mind of the customer. But this is an insanely cool product. You guys can see, like, I don't know if you blow it up or whatever. Yeah, exactly. You blow it up, I think. It's just so cool because it stands the way. When you kick it, it goes back. We can try to play the video unless it's bad. Yeah, look at this, guys. This is cool. This is like, I would want this myself. So if you just get a good ad copy on this one, I think you can make it pop off. As long as you follow my strategy of 7 ad sets, $10 a day, Facebook, Instagram feed. And the thing you guys also have to think about is if this product is a little bit saturated, most people sell it on the Instagram and Facebook feeds only, which is the most common. So if you want to beat the people that's making this product saturated, you could try to run a story ad. You could try to run an interest nobody else is using. You could try to even run a Facebook group ad. Just don't do too much of the basics if a product is a little bit saturated. So that's the product number 2. I think it's insanely cool, and if you guys think it's bad, I would say you're wrong. It is a cool product. Will it work for all of you guys? Maybe not. But I give you guys the interest, how to use suggestion, all that stuff. You should try it out. Just one quick little tip here, guys. Don't sell workout from home products. It's the most saturated now. Working out from home is the biggest trend. Anyways, into the next product. So the next product is the acupuncture map. And before you guys get mad at me, I have the interest for you guys. I did really well with this damn product. Take a quick look, guys. This product is so unique. But the only bad thing about this product is that right now, working out from home, yoga from home because of the virus and all that stuff, is becoming insanely popular. So you guys want to win with different interests. Well, I'll give you guys as a golden tip here. Netflix works. Netflix definitely works. I created a lot of money with that interest. I also use yoga, I use spas, all of those interests, not the shotgun, but the spas thing. I don't know what it is in English, but you guys know what I mean, right? Those interests are good. Yoga, you could also search for acupuncture, but at the same time, because working out from home is so popular, you also want to think a little outside the box. That's why I did Netflix, because it's not related at all. So you could even try YouTube, you could try, you know, whatever, guys. You could even try women's fashion, because Facebook optimized, you know, to the ideal customer. All of these products are insanely good. It's 3 of my current winners. The mole removal, I was a little bit bigger on back in the days, but still I've given it to people to these days. I run it myself, revenue the store to 50,000, sold it for 200,000. Insanely good. But anyways, I'm still scaling the mole remover, still scaling this mat, and I'm also still scaling the last product that I showed you guys earlier, the boxing thing. The boxing thing is so unique, you must say. It's a really unique product. Anyways, the acupuncture map, it is cool. Comes in like 6 colors as well. It looks like really good in the colors. So what I would do with this ad, guys, I would just use pictures on the mole remover and the workout the product, you know, the boxing one. I'd probably get some good pictures, or definitely a video on the mole remover, maybe a video on the boxing thing, but the boxing also works with pictures. But for this one, you don't need a video at all. Just run with pictures. It's really high quality picture. It is damn good. I do good with this product. It was a little bit hard to scale this one, but still I recommend you guys trying to run it because it's not been too popular lately. A lot of acupuncture stuff like the pen and all of that stuff has been really popular working out from home, but this mat is still not at its peak yet, so I definitely recommend jumping on it. I ran this one back in October, and I also run it now till this day. So definitely, guys, you should hop on this one. It's not that at all. Just use interest no one else is using, and also use yoga, spas, and acupuncture is definitely gonna work. And try Netflix. That's what I recommend. So that's a lot of good products, guys. So anyways, guys, give me some feedback. Did you guys like these products? You think I was stupid? Because if you think I was stupid, you're probably wrong, because these product works. You just have to use my interest. Anyways, it's gonna be it for today's video. I appreciate every single you guys watching. We're at 1,100 subscribers. Can't wait to see that we're gonna hit 2,000 in a certain amount of time. That's so insane. I appreciate all you guys. So if you want to win the next free 30 call, you know what to do. Comment there. Let me know you watched the whole video through. Appreciate all of you guys here. Thank you. We'll be out soon. And you know, we're doing daily uploads now because we want to be the best dropshipping YouTuber out here. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay safe. Bye.